guys are back for another video. Today I'm going to be doing a beauty box. There's 20 beauty surprises, and it's Ellie, by the way, if you didn't know. Welcome to the Old Chatters. I already opened it. So, there's $75 worth in this, and it was only $7, so perfect. So the first thing, let's just open this part up, I think. Please help. Don't pause it, just... Okay. With editing, so first thing is we have hair ties. This one is like pink metallic.
Looks like a hair bracelet, maybe.
It's a hair tie.
Is it? Okay.
It's beauty products. Why would you have a bracelet as a beauty product? There's this other one. That's white. We get up close on both of them. Pink metallic one and the white metallic one. By metallic, I mean like it's just shiny rainbow. So we got, next thing we got is, jeez, really. Next thing we got is, it's glitter. It's glitter. It's gonna for like your eyes or something. It's probably it's not messy.
Does it say on the bottom what it is?
Glitter stick.
Glitter stick.
So it's basically like this. Oh wait, without my glasses.
Okay.
Next one. This is like a tiny level of perfume, I think. Oops. What did I do?
I don't know. Did you pull it out of the lid? That's interesting.
What is this? I wonder it was $7. Jeez. Please help. I'll hold the camera. Please help. And I can show your face if you want or no. And Mom's helping me. Thanks. I have no clue what that is. What is it?
Tinted lipstick.
Tinted. Okay. It's weird, but it's tiny. I just got the glue stuff. It's tiny lipstick.
Put it on.
Why?
I don't know. See what it looks like.
No, I'm getting one more first. That'll put one.
All right.
Next thing, looks like a bit more lipstick. I'm just going to open it from this side so I don't.
Do you need me to help you?
Yes, please. This looks like more glitter, honestly. This looks like lipstick, the one that my mom's getting out. Thank you. And we have more tinted lipstick. But don't get it out yet.
I'm just pulling it out now.
Okay.
More tinted lipstick?
Yeah, this is a pink color, and this is a clear color.
Oh.
Next we have glitter roots. Looks like you're supposed to.
Glitter roots? Is that what it says? Is that what you're supposed to put on the roots of your hair?
Looks like it.
Oh my.
I'm not. Especially if school is starting. Oh. Yeah, this one. Okay. That was an awkward silence. Next thing we have. How? This is obviously eyeshadow.
Here, I gotta move it sideways so I can get it out. Here, hold the camera. You want me to just like try and pull some out for you?
Yes. Yeah. You broke it. You broke it.
It was broke already.
Perfect.
It's a
hand
which
eyeshadow.
one?
It's a hand eyeshadow. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we got eyeshadow. I mean, just use this. You can actually open it up. Ow.
As we watch on live TV as Ellie cuts a finger off and we have to go to the hospital.
Please be quiet. Okay, I didn't need to do this. I'm just going to use my hand to break it. Poo-poo.
Ooh, thunder.
Wow. ASMR.
The dogs did not appreciate that thunder. Did you, puppies? Those are our dogs. That's Sergeant. And that's Heidi.
And they look really close to the camera.
They are, but they don't like the thunder. It's okay. No.
They just want to protect us.
Go.
Probably. Oh, this is how you do it. You have to go like this, and then you
See, I didn't break it. It comes off.
There we go. Okay.
So what color is it? Does it say?
It says it's hair chalk.
Hair chalk. Oh, okay.
I thought this was eyeshadow.
See, it's important to read. So I guess it's pink hair chalk. That's neat. It goes with the root glitter.
Yeah, apparently. I think these are hair ties. Once we look at hair products.
Uh-huh.
These are hair ties.
Okay, sure. Let's watch Ellie struggle. Yeah.
Bath bomb.
Scooch back.
Please.
A bath bomb?
Bath fizz.
Bath fizz, okay.
Looks like there's pink and blue in there. Use that in the bath. Got a face mask.
Ooh. Oh, stop it. The dogs don't like the crinkling.
Watch Ellie struggle.
Just don't cut open into the face mask. Ay.
Help.
Oh my.
There's 2 face masks.
Well, we don't need to pull the second one out, do we?
Yes.
What kind does it say it is on the back? Does it say? No?
Just says it's a face mask.
Okay.
Looks like it puts tattoos on you.
Right.
Tattoo mask. Perfect.
Just pull hard. It's just that same kind of glue stuff.
I'm gonna break the box. Jeez. Here's the other regular one. Now, looks like they got a thing to hold all the stuff in. That's why it's miniaturized. Is take this to school. It's metallic.
Okay.
Everything's metallic in here. Ooh, it's funny. And Ellie struggles to get it out. Ooh, I don't like it. Thank you.
Oh, it's a mirror.
Oh,
Cute.
that's some nice ASMR.
Cute.
You can see yourself in it. You're gonna think to yourself. Says shimmer putty. Putty. Putty?
Don't know.
Help. I don't struggle to get it out, but I struggle to get it open. Oh great, it's another thing I'm gonna While my mom does that, might as well show you another lipstick. It's green. It's teal. Perfect.
Hold this. I
Oh,
can't.
not thunder.
No, it's the dogs.
I'm showing your
Do
face.
not apply around eyes.
I'm showing your face. That's my mom. As she struggles to get it open. Mom, I just zoomed in. As she struggles to get it
I
open.
don't zoom in on my faces. I'm like. I think good night.
Okay, I'm just gonna film myself, I guess.
Got it.
This is stamper pen.
What is it?
A stamper pen.
A stamper pen? What does that mean?
It's a pen that stamps.
Oh. Okay. Here's your glimmer shimmer putty.
It's not putty, it's just really, really glittery.
It's probably like for your cheekbones.
Now that putting that on yet. I'm going to
Well, don't close it. I'll never be able to open it again.
You've closed it.
It's okay. What else is in there?
Well, once you open it, it's
Another bath bomb.
another bath bomb. This time it's all pink. It says, use under adult supervision. You could drown. It says, use under adult supervision. Avoid contact with eyes in case contact with eyes. Rinse immediately with plenty of water and seek medical advice. Wash your hands after use. Perfect.
Awesome.
We're running a bathtub, so we don't need to. Wash your hands. Hairbrush.
Huh, little comb. That's cute.
It hurts.
What's it say?
Nothing, because it's obviously a hairbrush.
It says girl.
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna my ears hold up. Last 4 things. Looks like
Nail stamps?
they're tiny.
They look like they go on your nails.
Close it.
Oh, they're so cute. Your sisters are gonna love them. Your nails are dirty. You need a makeover.
Quiet.
Muscles.
I don't have any of those. It's putty. Back of it. It's stretchy.
Mm-hmm.
Putty.
Is it? Let me see.
Some more stickers. There's some stamps on your face. This is what.
Oh, this says these are might be temporary tattoos.
Those would be cool.
They're tiny if they are.
But Mommy, you're supposed to go like this. You're supposed to like put them like this and then rub it all together. Then it's not like you have to do one.
Oh, I'm like, okay. What? So what are these temporary tattoos then?
These are face tattoos. This is how I know.
Oh, right. Except we're not going to use it on your face.
Rubbing it.
Does it say on the back? Or is it stickers?
It's stickers.
They're stickers. The big ones are stickers.
Yep. Okay. Well, I guess I need a mirror now.
So what would you give it? A thumbs up? A thumbs down? What do you think?
I'll give it the middle. I like it because I like the products. I don't like it because I really struggle with getting the stuff out. So I'm gonna go get a camera so we can put it on.
Don't you have a? It came with a mirror.
Oh, duh. Okay. Look at this. My foot on this. That hurt.
Don't mind our dogs in the background. They're playing
It's a funny mirror.
roughly.
It's a funny mirror. Look. It's a funny mirror.
Do you want me to video you putting it on?
Sure. I'm just not putting on any of this. What were you doing in the background? What? This is just. What did you hear that crack?
Yes.
That was my leg.
Don't worry, Ellie's just breaking bones. If she's not going to cut her finger off, she's going to break her leg instead. So we're determined to have to go to the emergency room tonight.
Please don't. I don't want to have to go to school with a broken leg because that would be 5 gillion, bajillion, gazillion years of me
Complaining.
crying, complaining every single
All
night.
right, get to the makeup.
I'm gonna try this.
What is it? That stamper?
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. You try it?
Sure.
Oh, stamps a
It
flower.
worked.
That's cool. Stamps a flower. You can put flowers all over yourself, and then whenever you're done with it, you're gonna be like, no, with like a washcloth or something to get it off. I think
You hope.
it's not coming.
Maybe you better not put any more on until we see how to get it off.
Yeah, or else I'm gonna be living with a million flowers on me.
I can see your school pictures, huh?
Really, Mama? Really?
Put on some of that tinted lipstick. I want to see it.
Which one should I put
The
on?
pink. See how tinted it really is. Can you feel it?
Yeah, I can feel it.
It looks like it might be a little pink. Does it have a smell?
I can't smell, so I don't know.
No, me either.
Oh, this is not white. This is purple.
Oh,
I just saw
Interesting.
that. I'm just gonna put
that's
a
the
tiny,
hair shop.
Can I put a tiny bit of it?
A little bit.
In the hair. Does it even work? I'm just gonna do the tiny bit. It didn't even work. It's not even working. Like if I just try to align, it's not gonna work. So
Our dogs are chasing each other.
I don't think it's a robbery.
Don't mind me as I video the dogs.
Oh, it's actually coming out. Never mind, that's a knot. No, it's not. Well, I give this a thumbs down unless you go like this. Because that'll probably go on.
And your hair is light. Can you imagine me trying to put it on?
Your hair's darker, this is lighter, so it'll probably show more.
I don't think.
So what's this? Okay.
What was that? Oh.
I can't see. I'm a genius man.
I can't see it. Oh, stop it.
I can't see it either. All I see is that flower.
Oh, I can see it. When you move your head, it catches it a little bit.
Can I see for the camera?
No.
Yeah. Oh, it is. This is what it's supposed to. Give me awkward silence. Me trying to struggle opening this.
So this, how many pieces did they give you? It's supposed to be 20 or more.
This is like 15. Okay.
Oh yeah, I guess technically it was like, if you count each sheet of stickers as one.
There's 21 if you count each sheet of stickers. If not, there's 19. If you count these two
Right.
together. These two together. I count. And here comes the dogs being like, what is it?
Okay, you ready to tell YouTube goodbye?
Put this on.
Okay.
Just a tiny bit. It's the root stuff.
All right.
I can't see in my head. That's a lot. Jeez, no. No.
Here.
It's too much.
Oh no, never mind. I can't. Never mind.
That's pink. That's pink.
It just globbed in your hair. Now spread it through your hair.
Okay, I have an idea how I'm gonna spread it. Use my fingers.
Use your fingers.
No, which hair was it? This one? This? You can't
Ay, ay, ay.
find it? Oh, there it is. Isn't even spreading. Isn't even spreading. Can you even see it?
Oh yeah.
I can't even see it. It's actually making my hair straight.
Oh jeez, Elli, let me.
Oh, I can't see it.
Look here, look YouTube. There it is.
I'm just gonna watch that video, just skipping all that, just to get so I can actually see where it is. Ow. What's
Oh
this?
my lord.
What's this?
That's not coming out until we wash your hair. Look, you can still see it in her hair. Oh man. You are glittery. You are a unicorn.
Never mind, it's right there.
That's what I thought.
It was.
It's getting stuck in your hair.
And it's not even twisty. Like if you go like this and then you twist it, it doesn't even twist very well. Let's just make papers out of these. Okay. Well, we gotta go clean now. Okay. Bye, guys. See you next video.